Welcome to ShapeFish. Use ShapeFish to convert your STL files to ISO standard AMF format to create higher quality, multicolor, and multi-material prints. Here's how it works. The ShapeFish user interface has three panels. The Object Hierarchy panel lists each subject and component or volume contained in the file, as well as each specified material. The Object View panel displays the mesh of each object along with any errors which are displayed in color. Errors are also listed by type and number. A log of operations done to the file is also displayed. The metadata editor lets you assign multiple colors and materials to specified parts of the mesh. You can also add useful information like unit of measure, tolerance, version number, author, company, and even a URL for referencing CAD drawings, intellectual property, and security information. To convert an STL, click on the selected file, and it will be displayed in the Object View panel. Your file is automatically converted to ISO-compliant AMF. ShapeFish analyzes the file mesh and displays the total number of facets, as well as the number and type of any mesh errors found. Facets containing errors are color-coded so you can zoom in and identify the exact location of the problem. Auto Repair runs through a series of repair operations and displays an updated error count if any remain. To address any remaining errors, choose from 4 specialized repair tools, each designed to address specific types of mesh problems. Meshes created from multiple components may have misaligned edges that are difficult to repair. Use the split button to display each component or volume separately. Repair each volume and then use the merge button to combine the volumes back into a single mesh. The split button is also useful in assigning multiple colors to various components of the file. Use the metadata panel to select colors and assign them to selected volumes. Multiple materials can be assigned to different volumes in the same manner. When you have completed working on the file, you can save your file out as an optimized AMF containing color, material, and other metadata, or to a conventional STL format. Please test ShapeFish out for yourself. Download a no-charge trial copy from the Apple App Store and let us know what you think of it. Thanks for watching. For more information on the AMF format, please check out our website.